The chiller test ride event is underway here at Dainese. Just hitting 11 o'clock now. People should be showing up momentarily. We got coffee. We got pastries inside. We got amazing merchandise and products from Dainese, like this beautiful AGV helmet. And of course, absolutely stunning chiller bikes. 2 of them here for you guys to test. Come through. And speaking of these products, let's take a look inside and see what Dainese has got to offer us. What do you think?
I love it.
What do you think? Feel nicer than the other one? Yeah, very responsive. It's like very natural pedaling. It's pedal assist, so once you start to pedal, it'll move for you.
Can I adjust the gear or no?
Yes, you can.
On this one, so should I put it at 1 to
I
start?
find that 3 is like the most natural.
Ooh, coming at you.
Nice. What do you think?
I think it sits too low for me as a tall person.
Yeah, right.
But I like the E gear. I can feel it like switching really quickly.
Yeah.
It's snappy, which is nice, and it's got like a nice like electric hum to it when you're switching gears. You can actually, it feels like it's mechanical,
That's cool.
like an engine.
Yeah.
It's and then this is a nice position too. It's super light.
Yeah, it's
I
very
think it's
light.
lighter than that Zeus.
It is definitely lighter than the Zeus for sure. Yeah.
And the tires are super grippy.
Yeah, I love them. They're really nice. The 3 inches.
Yeah. I have to figure out a better seating position. Maybe if I like
Go way back.
Yeah, if I go way back, it's better. I'm not used to having this much room on the seats. So.
Yeah.
The black one seems more like a Ford, special.
Yeah, I gotta ride that without the top back.
Arcane Moto, Carlos.
You think it'll catch on?
I think so. It's got a real nice aesthetic. What do you think?
I liked it. I really did like it.
Good luck.
It's fun, right?
Yeah, the size is good. I like the size of the frame. And the pedal assist is nice.
Yeah, it's very natural.
Yeah, if you like pedaling, definitely it's good. Like on that bike I pedaled on the Zeus. I liked it.
Yeah. What do you think of the like the overall comfort of the ride, the seat, the tires?
I was expecting it to be shorter,
Uh-huh.
which I thought it would be it's uncomfortable. But this is the right size. It's pretty.
The wheelbase is not as long as it looks in photos.
No, it's pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
And even the pedal stroke is good. And you know, it's pretty comfortable, and the internal gearing nice too. No, I like it. It's smooth.
Yeah, smooth, very smooth.
Yeah, kept up with the traffic. I went around 4 blocks. Fine.
It's definitely a chill ride.
It's definitely this is another e-bike.
Yeah.
You know, so it's good. I think it's good for riding around the city.
Me too. You guys know how to power them on, right? There's a little button on the top.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a little nipple.
Oh, it tells you the range once you click up.
Yeah, if you hit up, it'll go from like the eco mode to the middle to the sport mode, kind of. It estimates the miles left on each. All right, there they go. Carlos and Mike, I hope they come back with some beers.
It's a good feel though.
Yeah, comfy.
That's totally comfy.
You get more suspension from the tires, I feel, than you do from the forest. I think it's more of like an aesthetic thing than anything. I mean, maybe you get a little bit, but it's
Faster, faster!
Well, he's in a low gear. Look how fast he's going.
Now I'm going.
I had it on 3. Five, you have to be on 5.
What do you think?
Oh, I like it. I like it. And you feel that it's light,
Yeah, it's light.
very nimble. You don't feel weight on it. It's too cold though.
How about the seat?
No, the seat is comfortable. It's a cup holder. I had it on 3.
Are you John?
Yes.
I'm a friend of Arseni.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yes.
Are you gonna ride it?
It's electric, right? It's gonna
Yeah.
be very fast.
No, it's not too fast.
Oh, okay, let me do it.
Yeah.
Where do I go though? Around the side?
Oh, yeah. You can do like a couple of right turns, or you can just go up and down the bike path, whatever you're comfortable with.
Okay.
Let me make sure you're powered on here. Just hold this
Take the
down.
phone just in case I'm. Or maybe you know you could whenever
want a
I'm
video?
coming back. If, yes.
Get a video.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I know Arseni back from St. Petersburg. He was my very first boyfriend.
Oh.
Welder.
You help build the bike?
Let me make sure you're in the right kind of gear here.
Okay.
Yeah, 3 is good. So as soon as you start to pedal, you'll feel it move you a little bit.
Okay. Oh my God. Where's yes?
Yeah, both.
What do you think?
Beautiful, fantastic, amazing.
Smooth, right?
Stylish.
Yes, very
I love
stylish.
this. You can probably sit 2 of you, right? I mean,
Well, you could probably change the seat, but
very beautiful. He's very passionate about it. So I'm happy that I'm here.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, I wish it was a little warmer for this event. Guys. So,
Us too. Frankie's always so stylish. Look at this guy. They might
They're a
work.
little rigid, but
Yeah, they'll break in though, right?
a little bit.
How long have you had them?
I don't wear them that often. I've had them for a year, over a year.
Because I had the level down, the not so beefy style, and they were good. They're like perfect all throughout the fall.
It's Frankie time.
We're gonna try this.
Frankie time.
No throttle, right?
No throttle. Yeah, what number is your gear in?
I'm not sure.
3 is good. Yeah, you're good. As soon as you start to pedal, you'll feel it give you a little boost. Frankie's learning how to ride a bike right now for the first time.
but the brakes are good.
Too slow for you, Frankie?
That's why it's a chill.
Fast Frankie.
Chill fat.
Yeah, that's why it's the
I think
chiller.
I put it up to 5, but I'm not sure.
All right,
Can't
I'm
tell.
gonna go bare bones first, and then I'll try that.
All right. Oh, now Frankie's going red. You know how to turn it on, Frankie? There's a little like nipple button on the top of the display. and then you press up 3 times.
Just
Now
three?
you're in the fast
What
mode.
that's the fastest?
That's the fastest.
3?
3, and then
I thought
this
it-
is gonna be. You have it in 5 right now. It's gonna be a little harder to start pedaling. Yeah, I can adjust those forward.
Yeah, and you gotta move the display
It's
too.
very smooth. I feel like the gears are counterintuitive forward.
Yes, that takes getting used to for sure. Which way you turn them.
But I know what you mean about 5 being the right cadence. You just feel like it's a natural takeoff.
Oh, 5? You guys like 5 better?
Yeah, I like 5.
3 is interesting because it feels like a bike.
Yes.
And then there's a
I
jump.
like 5. I felt like the power transfer is right.
Okay.
On the other one?
This is definitely stay on the bike lane bike.
It's a bike lane bike. Yep. For sure. What do you think though? Comfortable?
Yeah, it's nice.
I'm just here checking out Andy's ass. Thank you. Basically, don't put any action.
You said shift while you stop pedaling.
Yeah. Stop pedaling if you're gonna shift. Yeah.
Feet on it.
Yeah. I was like, oh, it's kind of.
Yeah, Rob, this stuff is a bed. Those are supposed to be with your gloves.
You got it.
That if you had one of those nice.
What do you think, Guillermo?
I know they came out.
This is like the right in the sweet spot between a fixed gear bike and an e-bike.
Sweet spot between fixed gear and e-bike.
Like you get that pressure once you're like starting off.
It feels like you're getting work out of your effort, right?
Yeah, like that's a workout.
Did you have it on the highest power setting, like on the 3rd bar, or were you?
No, I just left it on.
Okay, so you. All right. Well, let's do it one more time. Take another spin,
Oh, there's.
and that one.
Oh.
And now you go a little faster. So in the higher power mode, what do you think?
Has a kick.
Has a kick, right? Now you're feeling that motor push. Just wrapping up here at Dainese, the chiller test ride day. Successful day. I think we sold 1 bike. This guy's very interested, wants to buy it on the spot. He has a couple of other competing buyers though, so I would say that's a success. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.